Hello children, this is your associate ma'am speaking. Yes, today we are going to see part 5. Our lesson it's about time. Before that, we are going to recap. Yes. What is our first topic? Calendars. We have types of calendars: monthly calendar, yearly calendar, and daily calendar. What is our next topic? Classification of events. We have 3 classification of events: family event, national event, and school event. What is the next topic? Timeline. Yes, we have to arrange in order in the line. It is called timeline. Help of the timeline, we can easily arrange in order and we can easily understand what happened, when happened, and which year happened. Today we are going to start with an activity, Think and Ink. 2.19. J.K. Rowling is the author of the Harry Potter series of books. Use the timeline to answer questions about her life. Listen children, everyone, you have to take your studio. Yes, you have to take your studio. You have to complete this activity. Let us start now. What happened in J.K. Rowling? 1965. J.K. Rowling is born in Bristol, England. When she was born? 1965. Where she was born? Bristol, England. 1972. J.K. Rowling writes her first book called Rabbit. What's his first book? Rabbit. When she writes her first book? 1972. Listen children, 1965 she was born. 1972 she writes her first book. So how many years old while she writes first book? 7 years old. Yes, while she writes her first book she was 7 years old. What is her first book name? Rabbit. What is the first book name? Rabbit. 1990 Miss Rowling comes up with the idea of Harry Potter while on a train to London. Yes, she got an idea about Harry Potter while she is traveling in the train to London. 1992, she gets married to George Arendis. When she got married? 1992. 1997, her first book of Harry Potter series, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, is published. When she wrote first book? 1997. When it's published? 1997. What is her first book? Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. In 1998, the second book in the series, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, is published. 1997, her first book was published. 1998, next year, her second book published, Chamber of Secret. 1999, her third book, Harry Potter and the Prince of Azkaban, is published. When her third book published? 1999. Yes. 2000, the movie based on the first book is released. Listen children, her first book was published 1997. The first book story published as a movie in 2000. The movie based on the first book is released. 2001, Miss Rowling receives an award from the British government. Yes, see the year carefully. 2001, she got an award from the British government. She receives an award from the British government. 2007, the seventh and final Harry Potter book, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, is published. 2007, the seventh and the final part of the Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows is published, the last book, final Harry Potter book. 2011, the final Harry Potter movie is released. Listen children, 2007 the final book was published. 2011 the final Harry Potter movie is released. Listen again. 1965 J.K. Rowling is born in Bristol in England. She wrote her first book in 7 years. The first book name is Rabbit. 1990 she got an idea about Harry Potter while she's traveling to London. 1992 she got married. 1997 her first book was published. 1998 her second book was published. 1999 her third book published. 2000 the first book story published as a movie. 2001 she receives an award from the British government. 2007 her final part of Harry Potter book published. 2011 the final Harry Potter movie is released. I hope you everyone understand. So listen, it is in order. Yes, this is a timeline of Miss Rowling. Miss Rowling timeline. It is arranged in the order. Let us see the questions. See the first question. How old was J.K. Rowling when she wrote her first book? How old was J.K. Rowling? 1965 she was born. 1972 she wrote her first book. How many years old? 7 years old. How many years old? 7 years old. What happened in 1997? What happened, children? J.K. Rowling's first book, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, was published. Yes, J.K. Rowling's first book published in the year 1997. Miss Rowling's fifth book was published in the year 2003. Where will you include this event in the timeline given above? Yes, see, 2003 her fifth part of the book. Fifth book was published. This can be included between the years. In between 2001 to 2007. Where we can include in the timeline 2001 to 2001 and 2007. In between we can include the 2003 in the timeline. I hope you children everyone understood and you have to write this. What is the next question? How many years after the first book of the Harry Potter series was published was the first movie released? How many years after? 13 years after. How many years after? 13 years after. Underline the event that happened earlier. Which happened earlier? Miss Rowling gets married. The movie based on her first book is released. Which happened earlier? Miss Rowling gets married. Yes, this has happened earlier. You have to write the answer in your book. What is the next one? We have to move to the concept map. Yes, they given here types of calendar. We have to write the types of calendar and the forms of calendar. Already they given one example here. What is the types of calendar? Already we have a monthly. What you have to write? Yearly calendar and daily calendar. We have three types of calendar: monthly, yearly, daily. What is the forms of calendar? Paper calendar and digital calendars. Calendar arrange events and uses. We have to arrange the events and we have to write the uses. So what is the first one? Dash is a list of events arranged in the order in which they happen. Arrange in the order. What will come? What answer will come? Chronology. What will come? Chronology. Yes. Timelines can be drawn for days. Timeline can be drawn for days, months and years. Identify days, weeks, months. What is the uses of the calendar? We can easily identify the days, weeks, months and years from the calendar. Remember, events and festivals. Help of the calendar, we can easily remember events and festivals. See, now what are the events? The type classification of events. Already we have a family events. So what is the next one? National events, school events. Listen children, everyone you have to write in your studio. What is the next one? A question time. Now we are going to see the question time. What is the first one? Filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. Our first question, Calendars are of different types, such as, what are the types of calendar? Monthly calendar, yearly calendar, and daily calendar. Events that are arranged in the order in which they occurred are said to be in this order. Chronological order. What order? Chronological order. We can represent events that have happened over a period of time using a, yes, whenever we are using a time line. Yes, what is the answer? Timeline. What is the answer? Timeline. So what is the next Roman? Match the following. Yes, column A, column B. Putting events in a sequential order. Sequential order means what answer will come? Chronology. What answer will come? Chronology. Home fun, daily calendar. Home fun, daily calendar. Calendars present on mobile phones. Present on mobile phones means electronic calendar. Republic Day. What event? National event. Events displayed along a line in order. Yes, along a line in order means timeline. So, everyone, you have to write this, children. What is the next one? Write whether the following are true or false. Let us see now. What is the first one? Digital calendars are not easy to carry around. True or false? Digital calendar are not easy to carry around. False. Yes, what is the answer? False. National events unite the people of a nation. Yes, true or false? True. Timelines can be drawn only for a particular period of a time. False. What is the answer? False. Choose the correct answer. What is the next Roman? Choose the correct answer. Our first question, a chart that gives us details of months, days and weeks is a, what are given options? Calendar, timeline, chronology. What is the answer? Calendar. Yes, a chart that gives us details of months, days and week is a calendar. A birthday is an example of a family event. A birthday means it is a family event. Listen, children, everyone, you have to write in your studio. So I hope you everyone complete this activity. Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day.